Hello, folks out there in Cyberland. It is Carla of Gigglefest University and Rehan's World, and I am here connecting the world today with Mian Zia, and I'm actually very anxious to talk to him. He comes to a lot of my live sessions, but I have never met him. So today I get to meet him, which is really cool. So hopefully he'll be here any second. We spoke for a few moments, very quickly, while before we came on, and I look forward to meeting him. This has been a wonderful journey. I'm getting to know and meet some really wonderful people by doing this. Mian, we need to wait a moment because your camera is not being acknowledged yet on my phone. Mian, are you on your phone or your computer? You need to be on your phone for Facebook Live. I can't add you if you're on your computer. Let me know, and if you're on your computer, just close out and get your phone. It's perfectly okay. No problem. I will wait for you regardless. So, I don't know if he's on his phone or his computer. But I do know that my camera is not picking him up right now. Hi, Habib. Also, Mian, it may mean that you need to refresh your Facebook app, completely go out of Facebook, and come on back. And it should work beautifully. So, as I wait. Hi, Habib, how are you doing? And I'm wondering if I pronounce your name correctly. That has always been a question in my mind. Okay. It's morning time in Pakistan, and it is evening time here. Actually, this is a little after 10 p.m. here. And in Pakistan, I think it's like 8 a.m. Mian. Hi, Khurshid. How are you doing? Where are you from, Khurshid? I don't think I've met you before. Sounds like you... From your name, I think you may be from India. Am I correct? Let me know. Type it in the chat. And we will wait for Mian to come. Khurshid, you're the only person I can bring in at this point. You're from Pakistan. Where are you from in Pakistan? I hope Habib will come back. Okay, where is that? Is that near Karachi? Lower Dyer KP. Remember, I don't know much about Pakistan yet. I am learning. And I think you're the only one here right now. Mian may be restarting his Facebook. Pasto's speaking. I don't know Pasto, but I'm told that Rafiq's mom speaks Pasto. So that's what I'm learning right now. It's not Urdu after all. So, come on, Mian. Do you want to come in and say hi to me? Well, there's another person here. It could be Mian right now. Let's see. Oh, I hope I can get him in. I've been looking forward to speaking with him. Okay. Ooh, what happened? Something happened to my camera. No. Around. Okay, there it goes. Hopefully that second person is Rehan. I am really hoping. We need mother. Oh, the mother language is Pashto. You can speak Urdu and you can speak English. Do you want to come and say a quick hello while we wait for Mian to get back? Let me see if I can add you. No, wrong icon. Come. Are you having, Mian, are you having some difficulty? Let me call and see